so close to Disney's door. A place where dreams aren't just folklore. 1900